너무 맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hi everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I will show you how to make a green onion salad. This is a Korean style and this make with pork belly, very good match. Now I will introduce to you ingredients: green onion and vinegar and sesame oil, sugar and sesame seed, red paprika powder, and this is salt. This green onion eating with pork belly is very good match together. Most of Korean people, when they eating this green onion salad, together eating. Korean speaking pa kimchi. Pa is green onion. This knife is for special for this, very sharp, very nice, very beautiful. First we put little bit sugar, small teaspoon, red paprika powder, sesame seed, and a little bit salt, just a little, and sesame oil. Sesame oil is very nice taste. Vinegar. Ooh. Now we mix. Already smell is very nice, very fantastic. Mix. Nice smell. Fantastic. Very simple. Already did. We mix it nicely. Looks very nice, very nice. Very simple and very nice. Smell is really fantastic, amazing. Ready, really fantastic.